All right, everybody. I hope you're all having a healthy and safe weekend here. Just want to let you know that we here at A Plus are still working and in business. It's business as usual, and as you can see, we do have a full shop. So we are still here trying to make sure people are safe, make sure their cars are good, and make sure we're able to keep people on the road if they're traveling in this important time. We got some technicians here doing our basic services, checking brakes, checking fluids. If you guys need anything, please know that we are still here during our standard hours. Just give us a call. We can always come out, greet you, keep our social distance space. And we also have a dropbox as well. So at that point, you can do a touchless transfer of car, keys, and everything. When we're done, we do make sure that we disinfect everything, wipe down all the cars and all the parts that we've touched, and just make sure that you are safe, we are safe, and that we can stop the spread of this. Hope you all are having a good weekend. Please feel free to give us a call. We'd love to help. Thank you.